Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will go over some very practical features for symbol creation. First, let's create a new symbol and enter the symbol editor. Here, we'll quickly draw a simple operational amplifiers as an example. When placing pins, the system supports schematic pin numbers increment. This means you can place pins in sequence, and their numbers will automatically increase based on the defined rule. This is especially useful when working with operational amplifiers, MCUs, or other multi-pin devices, and it can significantly improve your efficiency. While placing pins, you can press the Tab key to open the property panel, then click More Settings. Here, you can configure various parameters such as pin type, input, output, passive, open character, undefined, as well as pin shape. For special pins, you can directly add a no connect flag. You can also adjust the pin length and color. Once these parameters are set, all subsequently placed pins will automatically follow the same configuration, so you don't need to modify them one by one, which greatly improves efficiency. Overall, this feature may seem basic, but they are very useful in real workflows. If you frequently create schematic symbols, it's definitely worth mastering them. So, see you in the next video.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.